Hello Photoshop lovers, welcome to a new tutorial with PSDBox. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna show you how I edited this image in Photoshop. It's an intermediate, maybe slightly advanced tutorial for some of you. I just used a few stock images for this, and what I want to show you is how I got this sort of dramatic dark tone effect in Photoshop. I'm going to show you the original image. I started from this and I ended up with this. So I'm going to show you how to work with Camera Raw and how to use adjustments and how to create some light effects here. Everything that you need for this tutorial is inside the resources folder, which you can download from my website, and there you'll find all the files that you need. So I hope you will enjoy it, and let's get started.